Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds and my savings challenges. I believe we have $500, so let me count it out for you guys. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Oh my god, they're not in the right order. Hold on one second. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Let's put it on this way. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. 20, 40, 60, 80. 85. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I should have been more prepared. 85, 90, 95, 500. All right, you guys. Okay, so we are going to start off. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. All right, so we are going to start off with my long-term sinking funds. All right, for my son, he's going to get $20. So my son now has 500, 600, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 628. Oh my god. You guys, I cannot feel my fingers today. It is so cold out here. It's like 40 degrees out here. And I don't want to hear it from you guys who live in the snow, because I shouldn't be complaining. I know. But I am cold. All right, car registration is not going to get anything because it's already fully funded. Car insurance is not going to get anything because it's already fully funded. Christmas, again, is not going to get anything, but I am done with my Christmas shopping, you guys. And, yeah, I'm not going to start until next year. Vacation. My vacation is going to get $50. So here's 20, 40, 45, 50. And this one's actually like, it's been adding up quite a bit. All right, so for vacation, I now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 350, which is not bad. And again, this is just spending money because everything else will most likely be paid by my mom. So investing is going to get $40. So 20, 40. And again, I took everything out and invested it already. So yeah. Home is going to be getting $20, and I don't have anything in here because I bought some stuff for the house. So emergency fund is going to get $20. You guys, I have a story for you guys, which is like super weird and super crazy. Month ahead is going to get $20. So did you guys hear about that family that went to Disneyland and supposedly the wife, so it was a family, it was like the husband, the wife, and I believe their daughters, and during this trip, supposedly the wife went missing or something like that. Like they didn't know where she was, and the husband called her in missing and everything. But nobody knew where she was. Like they were just lost. Like she was lost. And when the police was looking into it, they realized that she had been missing for days. And they were wondering why the husband hadn't reported her. You know, they're like, your wife has been missing for days. Like, how come you haven't reported her? And he was like, because she just took the car and she left. Like, she left. Well, when they started investigating, they realized that I don't know, the husband did a sloppy job. Apparently he killed her, and they found her like 6 miles away, I believe, from the house or something. And he basically killed her. Sorry you guys. So yeah, he basically killed her, and it was all because supposedly she was having an affair with a coworker or something like that. All right, from at the head, you guys, I have now 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 35, 310. So 310. Yeah, so apparently what happened was the guy had called her missing, and they didn't know where she was, and he supposedly said she ran off. She ran off with someone else or something like that, and the cops kind of believed him at first, but they were like, she's been missing for days and you haven't reported her, like this is kind of suspicious. So then he was like, yeah, like, you know, I didn't think anything of it and everything. But then when they went and they checked his phone, they found on his phone that he had been Googling, like, you know, how to get rid of a body, or like basically stuff that like would incriminate him, you know. And all right, so car maintenance is going to be getting $30. So 20, 25, 30. Yeah, so, but what was weird, this is the weird part, was that the husband was cooperating. He handed over his DNA, he handed over his phone, he handed over everything. He was like cooperating to the fullest. But I don't know what he was thinking, because obviously they are gonna find something on your phone if you Googled something on your phone. They're gonna find something on your computer if you Googled something on your computer. Anything you've done, even if you've deleted it, there's a way they can recover it. So I don't know if he didn't know that, or he really thought he was like slicker and he could get away with it or something. But I don't know, you guys. This guy really just handed everything over, and this is how they found everything out. All right, car maintenance now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 284. Yeah, so that is how they found out everything, and they found out where the body was when they found her. Of course, she was deceased. And he's gonna take it to trial. I think he has a self-defense claim, because he said that I believe that he had asked for a lawyer and they told him he didn't need a lawyer or something like that, and they're gonna take it like as a mistrial or something like that. But I was just like, wait a minute, what? Supplies is not gonna get anything. Couponing is gonna get $20. So couponing now has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. $48. Laundry is going to get its usual 20. And I just did laundry, so I don't believe I'm going to be taking this out anytime soon. Momo and Demon, which are my cats, they're going to be getting $20. So Momo and Demon now have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. Okay, they have 300 now. Yeah, so, you guys, I'm going to link it up at top. Obviously, like, I gave you the very watered down version of it. I literally didn't give you guys any type of details, but Annie Elise, she explains it very well. And I don't know, she just intrigues you by the way she talks. It's weird. Giveaways has gonna get $20. So now it has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Actually I borrowed $100 from here, so I'm gonna replace that soon. So it's actually $139. And Buffer is gonna get $20. It doesn't have anything, but we will put $20 in here. All right, now let's do my saving challenges. for my savings challenges. As you guys know, I'm only doing 2 of them right now because these were supposed to be for next year, but I started them super early. So we're trying to get ahead for 2023 because you just got to stay ahead. You just got to be ahead of the game. You got to, you know. So I feel like I'm going to start saving for 2023 and be happy. I love saving, you guys. All right, so we are going to put $100 in each of these. So, can you guys see there's a glare? Let me try to move that. Okay, can you guys see a little better? I hope so. All right, we're going to put $100 in each challenge. So this one is the $1,000 challenge. And let's put $100 in here. Okay, so 15. 20. 35. Sorry guys, I had to think a little there. 50. Mental math, you guys, mental math. 60. 65. 70. 75. 80. 85. 90. Oh my goodness, did we really just finish this? 95. I think we did, you guys. OMG. I don't think, I know we did. And 100. Oh my gosh. I didn't think we were gonna finish this. You guys, I finished my challenge. Oh, sorry, there's a glare. There we go. Can you guys see that? I finished it, you guys. I finished it in, I want to say like 3 weeks. Maybe a month. Maybe it's been a month. 3 weeks? I think it's been 3 weeks, you guys. I finished it. I'm so excited. Oh, my little ghost face challenge. Yay. All right, now we got to do this one. We're going to do 100 on this one. Can you guys see that? Is that better? Sorry, it's a little dark, you guys. It's like really, really late over here, but I wanted to get these videos done. Okay, so can you guys see that? Let me help you guys a little, just a little bit. All right, we're gonna put 100 in here, but these denominations are a little bigger, so yeah. So we're gonna do the big ones first. I'm gonna try to get the big denominations out of the way. So here's 40. 80. 20? There's no 20, so we're gonna do 2 10s. So we'll do this 10. Sorry, you guys, my coloring is not the best. And this 10. So this one we are getting there. But now I know for next paycheck, I only have to put money in this one. Oh, it's so exciting. Hopefully I can finish it. I don't think so, because I only have 1 more week in December, you guys. So I don't think I'll be able to finish it. But we have, let's count how much we have left on this, yeah? All right, we have, let me put the light back up so you guys can really see. All right, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 25, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 95, and then 50, 70, 80, 95. And we're going to do 300 here. And then 45, 55, 60, 70, 80, 45, 55, 60, 60, 70, 85, 100, so that's 400, 25, 30, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I believe I have $510 left on this one, which, yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do it by next time, but I'm going to put as much as I can towards it because I really, really want to finish it. Hopefully the first week of January. Because you guys, I am obsessed with saving. I don't know if you guys noticed. I had said it in my last video and someone commented that they, like I had said, I wish I could save my whole paycheck. And someone commented, girl, me too. I was like, hell yeah. I wish I could just put my whole paycheck in savings and just, you know, I don't know what I would live off of, but yeah, my whole check would be in savings and I would just see my money roll. My money stack up. All right, should we count it? Should we count it? Let's see if we have 1,000 in here. Okay, let's see. Can you stay? Can you stay? Let's stay, okay? Yeah, let's not. Okay, well, let's close it then. All right, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. 1,095. Something about that doesn't sound right. Or was it five? Oh, you know what? I think it was 500 and the other one was 1,000. I think it was a $500 challenge and one of them was a $1,000 challenge. Okay, so yeah, it would equal about 1,000 if that's the case. Okay, you guys, I thought it was more, but we are still making progress, and little progress, slow progress is still good progress, you guys. Don't forget that. Do not forget that. All right, so let me stop because I'm over here. I'm super hyper, you guys, and it's like 11 right now. 11 p.m. All right, you guys, so that is it for my challenges. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I will link that video up top so you guys can go and check it out and just see how this guy got caught, because I feel like he didn't even try. I don't know. He just, I guess he gave up and he was like, I know I'm gonna get caught. Here, take everything. I'll link it up top, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. And you guys, I am up to, I believe it's 415 subscribers, almost to that 500 subscriber mark. And as you know, I will be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe so you can be a part of it. And for that subscription one, for the 500 subscriber giveaway, I am going to be either giving away my cash for giveaways or something, anything on my Etsy. So if you guys want to check out my Etsy, it's down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.